Hello everyone. Today we are going to study about the layers of atmosphere. We know surrounding the earth, all around lies the earth's atmosphere, and the earth is the only unique planet which has a favorable atmosphere. The density and temperature of the atmosphere is not the same everywhere. The density decreases rapidly upwards as the air becomes less and less rarefied. And the temperature also varies. In the lower layers of the atmosphere, the temperature decreases. Then further on, the temperature rises again. And in the next layer, which we will be studying about, all about the layers, the temperature decreases further and then it rises again. So the temperature, it varies a lot in the atmosphere. The total extent of the atmosphere can roughly be divided into 5 different layers. The lowest layer of the Earth's atmosphere is the troposphere. Troposphere is the lowest layer. Its average height is about 8 kilometers over the poles and 18 kilometers at the equator. Height of troposphere, it changes seasonally, increases in summer and decreases in winter. This layer contains 90% of air present in atmosphere. Temperature decreases with increase in altitude, roughly at the rate of 1 degree Celsius every 165 meters of ascent. And this is known as normal lapse rate. Thickness of troposphere is greatest near the equator. Why it is so? Because it is from the equator, the heat is transported to greatest heights. Transfer of heat from the equator is greatest by convection currents. What is convection current? The warm air rising upwards. Water vapor and dust particles are found in this layer only. This layer is significant as all the weather phenomena like cloud formation, winds blowing, thunder, lightning, storms, and precipitation occur in this layer of troposphere. The uppermost limit of troposphere, this is the uppermost limit of troposphere. This is the limit, or we say the boundary between stratosphere and troposphere. Between troposphere and the next sphere, that is stratosphere. Now about stratosphere, the second layer from the beginning of Earth's atmosphere. Stratosphere, this layer lies above, we know it lies above the tropopause and it extends till 50 kilometers. Now here the temperature increase, strong winds, that is the jet streams, they blow here. And very little mixing of air takes place in stratosphere. Stratosphere is a quiet layer free from weather disturbances. The air is also less in this layer. An important feature in this layer is the presence of ozone layer. And this layer, it absorbs ultraviolet radiation, shielding the Earth from intense and harmful energy. And the boundary that separates stratosphere with the next layer, that is mesosphere, is stratopause. Stratopause makes the boundary between stratosphere and mesosphere. So the next layer is mesosphere, which extends up till a height of 80 kilometers. In mesosphere, the temperature starts decreasing. With increase in height, the temperature decreases. And the temperature varies from 0 degree at stratopause to about minus 100 degree Celsius. This is the coldest layer of the atmosphere. Mesopause makes the boundary between mesosphere and thermosphere. It is the presence of meteors are also found in the mesosphere. At times, these meteors, they enter the Earth's atmosphere and they get burned. Now, the next layer is thermosphere or the ionosphere. Ionosphere is located between 80 kilometers to 400 kilometers above the mesopause. This layer contains ionized molecules called as ionosphere, which reflect low frequency radio waves back to the Earth and help us in distant communication. Temperature here starts increasing with height. The colorful light waves seen in the night sky near the two poles of the Earth are the result of interaction of ionosphere with the lower layers of the atmosphere. North Pole. In North Pole, this phenomenon is known as aurora borealis or the northern lights. And in South Pole, this is called as aurora australis or the southern lights. Now beyond thermosphere is the next layer of the atmosphere, which is known as exosphere. So it is the thermopause that makes the boundary between thermosphere and exosphere. Exosphere, this is the highest layer. Beyond ionosphere, very little is known about this layer. It contains, the contents that are present here are highly rarefied. Gradually, the layer merges with space. That's all for the day. I hope you have found this video interesting. Do hit the like and the subscribe button. Thank you.